What's the meaning of anthropocentrism? Anthropocentrism. 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 Anthropocentrism.
Anthropocentrism is the belief that human beings are the most important entities in the universe. It is a viewpoint that places humans at the center of everything and regards other living beings and the environment as subservient to our needs and desires. The result of anthropocentrism can be devastating for the planet, as it leads us to prioritize our own interests at the expense of the natural world. This worldview often leads to environmental degradation, habitat destruction, and the extinction of other species, which ultimately harms not only the planet but also ourselves.